welcome to another video. This video is a few days late and I apologize. I am in the States right now. I had to go without any notice, really. It was something that came up, family matter. Today I'm gonna focus this Reiki session on empowerment and courage. I'm gonna send the intention of clearing the space. Gently poking your aura a little bit. Okay, did not think this through. Yeah, so I am in the guest bedroom of my sister. I'm finally doing this video. This is gonna be an ASMR Reiki. Yeah, we're gonna focus on. I guess it's like an empowerment, like. And with everything that's going on, like staying in our essence and our truth, and this is especially for like highly sensitives and empaths, that finding the balance between rising so high and vibrating so high that everything else that is lower that people are experiencing kind of just floats by and through us without us like getting dragged into it. Between that and also embracing this superpower we have of feeling and processing other people's emotions, as difficult and overwhelming as it can get, like kind of just embracing that too. And I guess embracing the fact that there's a reason why we have that, and we can't just, sometimes when we're so focused on rising above it all, and our energy is so high, and we're too focused on that, we actually create resistance, because we are meant to experience these feelings, some of them, of course. Like, I'm not saying that you like go to the next mall and overwhelm yourself with negative emotions. Like, sometimes we are in situations when we choose to be there emotionally and physically for somebody who's going through a rough time, and then we are going to feel it. We are going to have to process the emotions, and we just need to acknowledge and know that it's not ours, but still it is on some level. On some level we are witnessing it. So just not taking it too, not making too big deal out of feeling. We feel each other, and when we are choosing to be there, we have to be there fully. We can't go into resistance, and I have to remind myself of this so much. Sometimes we're confused about what's ours and what is other people's, and then it's good to be like, okay, this is not mine, and this is not something that I have to feel right now. If it's just a random person, it's not really any meaning to it. But in this case that I'm talking about now, it's like, okay, here's a rush of emotion coming through. It's okay, I can handle it. So just letting yourself, just letting this emotion kind of just take over you. And as we do that, we are like, as empaths, that's the like difference between like feeling your own emotion or feeling somebody else's emotion, is that when you're going through somebody else's emotion, as intense as it is, you're still like standing behind, knowing, and like standing resilient, and it's not taking over you. It's like, it's happening, and it's intense, and you are standing witnessing it. It's a really beautiful and powerful thing when we just let it happen, when we're not stuck in resistance. So I guess that's what I'm talking about now, by empowerment, like fully stepping into empowerment as empaths and seeing this as a superpower. It's a I don't want to say difficult, but like, it's a handful. This superpower, but we can learn how to use it and fully embrace it. So that was a really long intro. Okay, I'm gonna now set the intention of this session, that this is distance Reiki healing session intended for all who watch the video through space and time. And sometimes we are stuck in this limbo of what is mine, what is other people's. So now we're gonna just gently pull that up to the surface. Just gonna sweep. Sometimes when we're like messing with the aura, it's good to like gently kind of smooth it out in between. But we're just pulling everything gently to the surface. Just gonna let Reiki flow a little bit through your third eye, your mind's eye, your mind space. chakra too. Just gonna keep pulling to the surface that is not yours, like I'm doing earlier, but I'm gonna use this. Okay. Start with above your head here. In your energetic body that is not yours and it's not serving you anymore. Also, if there's an emotion that you are supposed to feel, others or your own, this will help bring it to the surface too. Down where your solar plexus is. And your sacral chakra. And your roots. Now we're just going to sweep everything. Down. And then your throat and your heart chakra. this is a safe space for you to receive and heal. No matter where you are, what time you're watching this, know that I'm here for your healing. Just focus on receiving, letting go. Let your body do the work with Reiki, these sounds. Let them travel through your body. Know that me, of course. Go through all around your body. Just still just keeping the intention alive that we are empowering you, and that includes cleansing away whatever doesn't serve you, whatever is not yours, your energy, something that you've been holding on without maybe realizing that it's not yours. Also moving through whatever you need to move through. I have with me here Tiger Eye. Is it called Tiger's Eye? I'm not sure. I love this rough type of it. I always use it if I need a little boost in courage or action taking, stepping into my empowerment. I'm just gonna set the intention of sending the vibrations of this stone to all of you that are watching. And again, I'm feeling in previous video, I'm feeling like you are holding on to stuff in your abdomen area. Now it's actually like a sacral chakra area. So we're just gonna focus on pulling everything out there. I'm just gonna dig in there a little bit. Wherever it is for you, if you are feeling like there's some unwanted stuff somewhere else, just put that intention that it works there, and I am too putting the intention that wherever there's stagnant energy, that it gets pulled to the surface, at least transmute it. Somehow we need to go through it, we can't just pull it away. So I guess this reading, this session just got turned into clearing away everything that doesn't serve us. But that is an important part of reaching, stepping into empowerment as sensitives. focus on your root right now. I'm keeping you grounded, your boundaries intact. Being mindful in the present moment. This is all connected to our root chakra, our kind of state of grounded or not feeling grounded. Now you can start by moving your toes and your fingers, deepening your breath, realizing where you are, remembering who you are, and getting back to reality. I hope you got something out of this distance Reiki session, ASMR themed. I'm gonna do my best at posting the next video at the right time. I hope I find some time while I'm still here. I leave on Thursday back to Iceland, so hopefully it's all gonna work out. And hope you liked it. subscribe for more videos, and like it, and you know the gist. Until next time.